why do some children not like learning science at school? Uh, so there are several reasons that children not like learning science subject at school. The first is I think that the complexity of some science subjects, for example, mathematics, biology, physics, and so on. And I think that some of the children at school do not have the right way for teaching this subjects. And finally, I think that based on children's interest, because there are several reasons, several students that they do not like science subject. Instead of that, they like some art subject or some subject that related to the social, like histories, geology, geography, and so on. Is it important to students study science at school? Well, it is indispensable. Learning science subject is indispensable at school because science can provide students some skills. For example, it is critical thinking and the skills to solve some critical thinking and the skills that help children to face with difficult situation. And without the skills, the children cannot develop comprehensively. So I think that science vital in school. Which science subject is the most important for children to learn? In Vietnam, chemistry, maths, physics are the three science are fundamental at school. But I think that the most important for children to learn is based on their children's career in future, because some of the children, they want to become a doctors or some career that related to pharmaceutical. They have to focus on maths, biology, chemistry. There is not a most important subject for children to learn that should based on children's career. Should people continue to study science after graduate from school? I would answer without any hesitation. My answer is yes, because science subject can improve people's critical thinkings and some vital skills, but that people should not too focus on this kinds of subjects, because instead, beside that, they have to improve some soft skills like present skill, present skill, planning skills, and so on. How did you get to know about scientific news? Today, today, with the development of internet and social media, so I usually update the latest scientific news through some social medias, to short videos on TikTok, YouTube, and furthermore, sometimes I watch it in TV. Should scientists explain the research process to the public? I think that scientific should not explain the research process to the public because many of knowledge uh, are really hard for some people to understand, and I think that many of people do not keen on this and ignore the science, ignore the research process that the scientific public launch in the internet for for the explanation.